Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial by Shana's Home DIY and Crafts. If it's your first time here, welcome. On this channel, I do a lot of home DIY projects and different type of crafting. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I decorate my small living space for fall. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please go ahead and do so. It will help my Guys, this tray was my first DIY on YouTube. Please go check the icon above if you're interested in seeing how I make this tray. I just now realized that I need to change out that yellow flowers from that wall art. So guys, this one spot on my couch is Fiona Daly's spot. She likes to sit there and look through out the window. However, she hates to go up there without her blanket. So I usually put a blanket up there and she will lay on the blanket and look out the window and bark at everybody who walk past. So I wanted to make this video, so I move her blanket and I try to get her away from there so I could make the video, but she kept going back. Like she kept jumping up. Now she's looking at me like, hey, where's my blanket? If you enjoy watching this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell. Also, make sure you share this video with your friends and family. This way they won't miss out. Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed.